The world as we know it is about to change dramatically in the next 3 to 5 years. Emerging technologies including Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and many other technologies are changing the shape of the world. It is changing how we live as people. My name is Ian Khan, and I am a technology futurist, author, and 3 times TEDx speaker. Over the last 20 years, I have worked with hundreds of organizations, helping them understand how to best leverage technology and how to go beyond just creating a product and create a tremendous amount of value. Whether you are in Riyadh or Rio de Janeiro, Jeddah, or Japan, you are part of this world that is undergoing a tremendous amount of change and affecting how we live and work. Please join me for the Inside Out workshop series in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We're going to learn about laying the foundation for your business, creating high engagement with your employees, customers, and partners. We'll talk about driving your business to new levels by creating a core foundation, building and automating business processes, and more. Follow me on this journey to capture the true essence of today's times that are going to be pivotal to success tomorrow. Because the game has changed, the rules have changed. And if you play by the rules that are 5, 10, or 20 years old, you are working against yourself. Now, I want to help you build the tomorrow that you can own. More than anything else, come and join me and learn about the code by which you must operate your business in today's time of disruption. For more information, please visit pbsksa.com.